Prepare to marvel at the architectural wonders that connect land across vast oceans. Dive into the engineering genius behind the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan, the world's longest suspension bridge at over 4 kilometers. Explore the Great Belt Bridge in Denmark, an engineering masterpiece connecting 3 islands. Witness the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco and a testament to American ingenuity. Uncover the secrets of the Öresund Bridge, a marvel that links Sweden and Denmark with a tunnel and a bridge. These architectural feats not only serve as transportation arteries, but also stand as monuments to human innovation and engineering prowess. Share your amazement with us, like, comment, and follow for more awe-inspiring videos.